Hello students and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start a chapter that is area related to circle. In this chapter we have to study three concepts. The one is perimeter and area of a circle. Second concept is area of sector and segment. And the third one is area of combined figures. Now see the very first concept. First, in this video we are only going to discuss this perimeter and area of circle. In part 2 video we will be discussing area of sector and segment, and in part 3 video we will be discussing area of combined figures. Now see, when we talk about this perimeter and area of a circle, this is a circle given with radii r. So its perimeter, or we can say its circumference, that is equals to 2 pi r. And if we talk about area of a circle, so area of a circle is equals to pi r square. Now the question, what type of question comes in this concept? The questions are like, we are provided with two circles. Given that the circle A having radii r1 and the circle B with radii r2, we have to find the radii of the circle whose sum of the areas of these two circles is equal to the third circle. So in that case, let's suppose the third circle whose radius we have to find, it's capital R. So in this case they have told we have to add the areas of these two circles. So what we'll do, pi r1 square for this A circle and for this B circle pi r2 square, and here we'll get pi r square, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कहा गया था areas को sum करिए. But in same manner, if it is given कि it is equal to the sum of circumference, in that case we'll do 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal 2 pi r. Now in this case what we do, we take pi as a common, and thus we get r1 square plus r2 square equal capital R square. In this case we'll take 2 pi common, so the answer will be r1 plus r2 equal capital R. So this is a short formula which we can apply if they are saying area of the combined, matlab we have taken two circles and we have to find the radii of the third circle, then we can directly apply these formula. Now we'll look on to the questions related to this concept only. So now the question is, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. Now in this question what they have given two circles whose radii are 19 and 9 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the radius of a circle. Let's suppose we have to calculate the radius of this circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Let's suppose the circumference of this circle is C1 and this circle is C2, and circumference of this circle is C. So this C is equals to what? C1 plus C2 according to the question. So according to question, C is equals to C1 plus C2, thus C is 2 pi r. This will be 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. We'll take 2 pi common. From here we'll take 2 pi common, and this 2 pi got cancelled. Now we have to calculate capital R. This will be r1 plus r2. So r1 is 19 and r2 is 9. Thus the answer is 28 centimeter. In similar manner we have next question, that is the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find radius of a circle having area. In this case they have given circumference equal है, इस केस में area. So this is 8 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. इस circle का radii निकालना है. Let's suppose इसकी area A1 and for this circle's area is A2. This is A according to question. area of the circle is equals to what? A1 plus A2. So pi capital R square equal pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Will take pi common. Thus, this pi and this pi got cancelled. Now putting the values of R1 and R2, will get 8 square plus 6 square. Thus, it will be 64 plus 36. It will be 100. So, R will be square root of 100, that is 10 centimeter. So, we have seen how can we solve the questions related to area and perimeter of a circle. In this case, we are discussing about only one circle. Now, we'll move on to the next type of question which comes in this concept. Now, the question is, the cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280. The field is to be ploughed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. Find the cost of ploughing the field. Now see what they have given कि 1 meter को circular field को fence करने में how many rupees are required, that is 24. So total जितने भी meter होगा, what cost we have spent it, that is 5280. So see how we'll solve this question. In rupees 24, I can fence 1 meter area of 1 meter of field. 1 meter of field. Okay. If this is meter, that means they are talking about its circumference only. Now, how much rupees I have invested? That is rupees 5280. So for rupees 5280, कितना आ जाएगा? 5280 by 24. If you haven't understood, we have one more method over here. What we'll do? For rupees 1, it will be 1 by 24 and thus फिर 5280 रुपीज़ के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो it will be 5280 by 24. So this is how the answer is in meter and we have calculated this is circumference of the field because this is in meter. Total cost इतने मीटर को फेंस करने में ये लगा. 220 मीटर को फेंस करने में कितना कॉस्ट लगा? 5280. So with the help of this circumference is 2 pi r and this circumference will put over here 22 by 7 pi की value will calculate r. So r will come up to r is equals to 220 into 7 by 44. Thus if we'll cancel out 22 2s are 22 10s are 2 5s are, so r will be what? 35 meter. So this is the first part of the question which we have solved. Now they are asking find the cost of ploughing the field. Cost of ploughing the field if 0.50 per meter square. 1 meter square के लिए 0.50 rupees लगते हैं. That means if they have given meter square, we have to calculate area. So area of field will be what? Because field is in circular shape, so its area will be pi r square and thus pi r square to 22 by 7 into 35 ka whole square. So when we'll solve it, this is 35 into 35, 7 5s are 35. So this area will come up to, that is 3850 meter square. Now in question they have told that cost of for fencing 1 meter square, cost of 1 meter square fencing is what? 0.50 rupees 0.50. How much area it is? So cost of fencing 3850 meter square will be 0.5 into 3850. Thus this will come up to be, अगर हम ये point हटा दें, 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are, so this will be 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 1925 rupees. So this is cost of ploughing the field which is in the shape of a circle. So this is how we have studied the next concept. We have one more concept we have one more question related to this concept. So now the question is, wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter, that means diameter is given. How many complete revolutions, that means they are asking n, each wheel make in 10 minutes, time is 10 minutes. When a car is traveling at a speed of, so speed is what, 66 kilometer per hour. Time is in minutes, so we'll convert it in hour, 10 by 60. Thus, we'll get 1 by 6 hour. Now, because we are provided with speed and time, so first of all, we'll calculate what? Distance. So, distance will be speed into time. So, speed is 66 and time is 1 by 6. So, the distance will be what? 11 kilometer. Now, as we know, circumference का formula क्या होता है? 2 pi r. This formula is when number of revolutions are 1. But if there are many revolutions, so this circumference becomes n into 2 pi r, and this circumference we can write it as a distance also. Now we are provided with this distance, that means the circumference 11 kilometer, and we have to calculate 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is diameter is 80, so r will be what? 40 centimeter. So it will be 40 by 100 by 1000, because this centimeter will be converted into kilometer. So centimeter से पहले मीटर में आने के लिए we have divided by 100, then मीटर से किलोमीटर में आने के लिए we have divided by 1000. Now we have to find out number of revolutions. Number of revolutions will be equal to 11 into 7 into 100 into 1000 by 2 into 22 into 40. When we'll solve all these things, we'll get 4375. Thus, number of revolutions which the wheel will make in 10 minutes when traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour will be 4375. So, this is how we have completed with the first concept, that is area and perimeter of a circle.